I chose Trinity was kind of just because it's such a well-known college around the world. It's very well represented. I remember coming in when I was a younger child and like looking at all the big buildings, and like you kind of see these days that the campuses are quite modern and stuff, but like Trinity kind of has a more historical kind of feel. It's a really nice, like it's in the centre of a town, so it's a lovely college to be part of. You see tourists come in as well, and they're always in awe of the huge campus, the Book of Kells, and I really feel quite honoured to be part of the system in the Trinity College, and I really love it here.
I chose Trinity College Dublin because it's a world-renowned college. Everyone knows it. There's a lot of job prospects from it, and it generally, in science anyway, I found it that it gives the best degree.
I've always been passionate about science ever since I studied it for the Leaving Cert. I was looking into different science courses in different colleges, and Trinity seemed like the best one since it had the most choice, which is a great thing since having the last 2 years. It's really given me time to decide which one I'd like to go into.
I really like how science is run here. The labs, the group work, it's all very helpful for group communication and leadership.
The reason I chose science is because I've always been fascinated with the way things worked in the world around me. I've always taken apart things and wanted to find out what was inside them and how they worked.
I chose physics and astrophysics personally because the most successful people that I know as entrepreneurs were people who did physics degrees, and I think because physics is such a basic science, it sort of lends itself to understanding everything around you, and once you understand physics, it's much easier to understand chemistry and the biology.
The reason I'd like to study physiology is that the lecturers we have in physiology in second year seem so passionate about their subject. They really inspired that passion in me, and it seemed so interesting that I just really wanted to get into it myself.
All the lecturers and professors in geology are extremely friendly and helpful in anything that you ask them to do with geology here, and they all know exactly what they're talking about, and they give you a very diverse view of geology as a whole.
I chose physics because I've always been fascinated with the way things work in the world, and I've wanted to do this mathematically, and thus I found physics was a natural choice for me.
After 2 years of studying science and having a taste of all the different aspects of science that is available here in Trinity College, and being able to talk to PhD students and lecturers alike, I've decided that molecular medicine was the course for me. I've got an awful lot of information from them, which is really, really helpful. The idea of being able to design drugs and working in clinical labs is really, really appealing, and that's why I decided it was the course for me.